Today, in the time of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are essential for the development of economies. At last, everything reduces to a sealed and profoundly secure structure that could be useful too in putting away, as well as re-establishing all information on the blockchain-empowered stage where in any event, exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges, say such countless them in the glimmer of a second. And all dispensing with the job of middle people, a consequence of hard and faultless work. Before we start with an itemized Avalanche cost expectation, we should plunge into the coin's outline. Torrential slide, Avax. The community and partnerships. The principal point of the Avalanche people group isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The Avalanche people group is humming about its achievements and monstrous commitment, particularly after Avalanche opened Denali testnet. It approved the force of Avalanche agreement and light design that offers more impartial investment rather than costly equipment. Being recorded on prominent cryptographic money trades like Coinbase and Binance, Avax offers its merchants a protected and reliable stage and empowers lesser charges and a plenty of computerized resources for single out from. Torrential slide is likewise marked a settlement with various biological systems like Chainlink, Belira, and so forth, taking its forceful innovative drives to a higher level. The essential objective behind organizations is to construct a philanthropic local area around the world, in this manner making an equivalent, economical, and decentralized world. Aside from these discussions, Avax has made further improvements in its organization and its acknowledgement all over the planet. On June 10, 2022, Japan's top crypto trade altcoin recorded Avax. Brokers and financial backers are good to go for the Formula E race end of the week. Aside from this, the Avalanche establishment has likewise sent off Multiverse. This new motivator program will uphold new environments, NFTs, DeFi, as well as institutional use cases. Adding to this rundown, Kalau has likewise held hands with Avax to fabricate items for NFT dealers and makers. This will assist them with encountering NFTs in new frictionless and easy ways. Ultimately, one of the greatest reconciliation is that of Chainlink keepers and Chainlink ERF incorporating with the essential organization of Avalanche. This reconciliation will be beneficial for the token, as it will diminish the responsibility and improve the uptime and security of the shrewd agreements. This news, joining, and acknowledgement will assist Avax with getting the notice of financial backers and dealers. The rising interest will, thus, lead to the rising worth of the token. Torrential slide, Avax. Market sentiments. The market feelings administer digital currencies, thus Avax is no special case. The specialists have different Avax cost figures to make by and large. Based on our gauge, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost guess for long-term end is $237.764. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 1,294.26% according to our forecast. The cost of Avalanche could stretch around $28 by 2023 and $36 toward the finish of 2025. The Avalanche cost gauge brings expect merging patterns that point towards the way that there is potential for the Avax value that might show a higher feeling. The cost could cross $240.8 toward 1 year's end. Torrential slide cost began in 2022 at around $112. The ongoing cost of Avax is $17.10. The determined Avalanche cost toward the finish of 2022 is $25.21, and the year-to-year change will be around plus 47%. Toward the finish of 2022, the cost of Avalanche will be around $38.29. A maximum cost of $42.46, the base cost of $37.09 for 2022. The Avalanche cost figure toward the finish of December 2023 is $65.14. As per our expectations, the future cost of Avax could arrive at somewhere near the $56.35 mark in the following a year, making it a beneficial venture. The Avalanche cost is determined to reach $20.410 by the start of December 2022. The normal greatest cost is $25.512, with a base cost of $17.348. Torrential slide cost expectations for the month's end are $20.410. Torrential slide forecast 2022 to 2026. The digital money value forecast is dependent upon the exhibition of the individual Symbolics Foundation, its headways, and the whole crypto market status. One can never know the specific future exhibition of any token. That being said, specialized examination and different perceptions take care of business as a guide simultaneously. The Avalanche cost estimate is additionally the subject of totally various perspectives. The ongoing cost of Avax is $16.78, with a market capitalization of $4,715,038,083. The 24 hours exchanging volume of the Avax token is $1,316,035,590, with a coursing supply of 280,981,800.04 Avax on the lookout. Avax digital currency is hugely dependent on decentralized applications remaining in front of other state-of-the-art advances and the current decentralized blockchain networks, for which the Avalanche gauge is absolutely reliant upon market development. A blast time for Avalanche, Avax, drives the value figure to remain substantial on this record before very long. Made by Avalanche, this coin has endured over the extreme long haul. So it is critical to realize that Avalanche's cost rise is sure in the approaching 5 years. Be that as it may, carry out your own analysis to check your gamble resistance. Torrential slide price prediction 2022. As per Avax cost expectation, taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for digital money markets after this malicious May, Avalanche is good to go to insist areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. With financial backer certainty blasting, according to specialized examination, the Avax cost could have a typical worth of $23. The following bullish gauge opinion for Avalanche, Avax, is assessed to reach $45 by December and will keep on becoming about plus 23%. Ascending to $47. It appears to be the normal greatest and least cost can lift up $47 and $14 individually all year long. The exceptionally unpredictable opinion is probably going to go on the following year, seeing the latest thing. Torrential slide price prediction 2023. Torrential slide has laid out a quick dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. These variables can assist the Avax with begetting gain a lot more exorbitant cost of $55 per coin.